here at Slamfest 2016.
They say the truth will set you free, but when your whole world is based on a lie, the truth that sets you free may also tear your life apart and destroy everything you hold most dear. And freedom can be a very lonely place. Truth that sets you free.
Family that said they 19, oh my goodness, 19 people got jam-packed into the PT Cruiser.
This is our last show in Gainesville because we're going back to Tampa. Next year, the second weekend of October will be Slamfest back in Tampa, Florida. I want you guys to come here, and I want you guys to have a damn good time. So with that being said, let's bring out the top 5 girls, and thank you again very much. We'll see you next year.